Laiba Farid and I am from the batch of 2023, majoring in social development and policy with a minor in communication and design. My HU experience has been energetic and vibrant. I faced some academic challenges, but they all shaped me as the unique student as I am today, who has also benefited from the interdisciplinary approach Habib has to offer. This university has provided me with so many opportunities and I'm glad to have taken each of them. As part of my final project in a course named Participatory Approaches, I successfully conducted a workshop on mental health. Additionally, I did a research on Karachi's depleting heritage as part of my internship in Pakistan Chalk Community Center, which got published in Dawn article. Moreover, I also interned at Green Crescent as a research associate and worked on Pakistan's health budget, which was a very enriching experience for me. Right now, I'm pursuing my thesis to research on the role of NGOs in development in Pakistan. Alongside my studies, I've also worked as a peer tutor and teaching assistant in multiple courses such as quantitative research methods and data analytics. I've also led events such as Basant as part of our Punjabi Rachna course. I was also an orientation leader, which was a learning opportunity for me as it enabled me to work on my toes and plan events and activities both on-site and virtually for the upcoming batch. During my time here at Habib University, I got to experience the opportunity of leading many roles in student-led clubs and events. I was acting as Director of Finance in HUMUN, as General Secretary for Habib Sustainability Club, and as Chapter Lead for IUCN when it first started at Habib University. I was also one of the first student Spark ambassadors for Unilever from Habib University. I can safely say that as a student of Habib University and majoring in social development and policy, both have shaped me as the person that I am today, who is not afraid of taking risks. In the future, I would like to implement my knowledge and capabilities for the betterment of the society, one through which it can be more open and accepting. Because I believe in the quote, "The more you know, now less you know," which is much better than living in oblivion.